Have you ever imagined your web design skills fueling your own business empire? Well, look, we're going to make that a bit of a reality. Picture this, you're a freelancer, your talents are undeniable, but your bank account, it's kind of not where you really want to be. What you really need is a shift in gear that takes you from scraping to work to scaling new heights where work is coming to you. Now, let me be clear, the transformation is not just about you earning loads of money, it's going to be a radical change in how you view yourself and your work. You've got to go from just being a web designer to actually being a business strategist as well. So stop thinking about how many projects you're going to do today and each week and each year. It's about building a scalable business, building a brand, building a system, building a legacy. Let me give you an example. Do you remember when you first started and you found your first client, or you were just handing out freebies and you did web design projects for a very minimal fee, like $50, maybe even less than that? You need to get away from those small one-time measly projects, and you need to start crafting comprehensive business solutions for high-paying clients. They do exist, they are out there. That's the leap and faith in yourself that I'm talking about. That's the transformation you need to make to scale your business. A lot of people assume that the journey is about upgrading your toolkit and your tools. Yes, that plays a part as well. You want to make sure that you're utilizing AI, page builders, theme builders, whatever you want to use, but you got to make sure you're using them really well and honing in your skills and your strengths. But it's not just about the tools. It's about your business acumen. It's about how you propose to clients. It's about what you put forward to them. It's about what you offer. But it's also about how you close those deals. Why are clients going to want to work for you? There's thousands of web designers out there. Why should you be any different? Because when you feel confident in yourself and clients and people can feel the resonation of that, you're going to be able to start attracting higher paying clients. You're also going to have the confidence to raise your prices. Look, we're going to eventually lead in later videos to your pricing strategy. When you can show for the right price that you can solve business problems, all of a sudden you become a necessity to that client's business. You're not just someone they're going to hire here and there, one-time project. They're going to want to have you side by side with them as they scale their own business. So if it wasn't clear before, I hope it's clear now that it's time to shift gear. You need to become a sought-after business asset. You're not just a web designer. You are the stepping stone to becoming a thriving web design business.